Hi guys! Welcome sa Sipnayan. In this video ay tutuloy natin yung series natin on calculus, and ang pinag-uusapan natin dito sa series na to ay from the previous videos ay ang product rule. No? Sabi natin, if we want to find the derivative of the product of two functions, then we could just get the derivative of the first function times the second function plus the first function times the derivative of the second function. So dito, we can let the first function be x cubed plus 4x squared. Ito yung ating f of x, at pwede natin gawin to na g of x. This is a product of two functions, so pwede nating gamitin yung product rule. No? So pwede nating gawing y prime. No? Y prime, pwede na nating dy dx ito. Pero pwede natin gawing y prime. The first function, x cubed, derivative of the first function, bababa natin yung 3, no? This is our first function, f of x. And this is our second function, g of x. So ano ang derivative ng x cubed plus 4x squared? So this is, bababa natin yung 3. And then we have x. Bawasan natin ito ng isa. This is the power rule, di ba? And d dx of x to the n is equal to n x to the n minus 1. So binababa natin yung n dito. Yun yung 3. Tapos bawasan natin yung exponent na isa. Kasi yan yung 3x squared. Tapos yung plus, we have a plus here. And then bababa natin yung 2. Kaso may 4 siya, di ba? So 2 times 4 magiging 8. Tapos yung x squared natin, mababawasan na isa yung power niya. X to the first power na lang. Kaya siya magiging x na lang. So that's the derivative of f of x. Well, yung g of x natin ay as is x squared plus, minus 6x plus 9. So ang g of x is as is. Hindi natin kinuha yung derivative. And then we have a plus. As is naman dito yung f of x natin. So wala tayong binago. We have x cubed plus 4x squared. Tapos, what is the derivative of g of x? Derivative nito. Pababa natin to. We have 2x. Papawasan natin ang isa. 2x to the first power, or simply 2x. Tapos minus, ano ang derivative ng x? Diba 1? 1 times 6 is 6. Plus yung derivative ng 9. This is a constant function. This is a constant, so therefore the derivative is 0. No? So, ang derivative ng x, no? Derivative of x means that slope of the function y equals x and the slope of the function y equals x. That's a line, di ba? Y equals x, the slope is equal to 1. Kaya ang slope ng 6x ay simply 6. So sana malinaw yan. Now, this is just multiplication of polynomials, no? I don't know kung isusolve pa natin to, but medyo mahaba-haba ito. So we have, okay, solve natin. This is equal to, pwede nating i-distribute to, no? Siguro tong first multiplication nandito sa first line, tapos yung second multiplication, second line. So this is 3x squared. Gusto kong i-distribute yung 3x squared sa x squared minus 6x plus 9. And then I have a plus 8x. Distribute ko rin doon sa x squared minus 6x plus 9. And then I have a plus here. And then yung x cubed, i-distribute ko ulit sa 2x minus 6. So this is just the application of distributive property. Ewan ko paano kayo paano kayo nagmumultiply ng pwede nyo i-box method, but pwede natin i-substitute dito. 4x squared times 2x minus 6. Makikita nyo yung ginagawa ko? Yung 3x squared plus 8x, hinati ko siya sa 3x squared plus 8x, tapos dinistribute ko yung x squared minus 6x plus 9 dito sa dalawa. So ito, nilagay ko dito, tapos nilagay ko dito sa 8x. So ito siya. And then I have a plus x cubed. Nilagay ko ulit dito yung 2x minus 6, tapos yung after 4x squared, nilagay ko ulit yung 2x minus 6. So I think mas madali yan. At least for me. No? So this is 3x to the fourth. 3x to the fourth. Distribute ko na ngayon. Minus, this is 18x cubed. And then I have a plus 27x squared. No? And then ito, I have a plus, this is 8x cubed minus 48x squared plus I have a 72x. Tapos yung sa baba, I have a 2x to the fourth, no? 2x to the fourth. And then I have a minus 6x cubed. And then from here, I have a plus 4x squared times 2x. I have an 8x cubed. And then minus 24x squared. Sana hindi ko nagkamali, no? So, lahat ng may fourth, pwede natin i-kolektahin yung may fourth. 3x to the fourth. Tsaka ito. Dalawa lang, no? So, I have 5x to the fourth. Tapos, lahat ng may x cubed. Lahat ng may x cubed minus 18x cubed plus 8x cubed. Ano pa ba? Minus 6. Wala na tayo na miss. So, minus 18 plus 8. Meron pa pala to. Sorry, meron pa tayo dito. So, meron tayong ilan yan? This is minus 18 plus 8, magiging minus 10 na lang. Tapos meron akong minus 6, minus 16. And then I have a plus 8. So therefore, I have a minus 8. Minus 8x cubed. What about yung x squared? Meron akong 27x squared. Tapos meron akong minus 48x squared. I still have a minus 24x squared. So, ilan yan? I have a 27 and I have a minus 24. So, therefore, I have a 3, a plus positive 3. And then I have a negative 48, a minus 48. That's a minus 45. No? So, that's minus 45x squared. And then, ang natira ko na lang ay 72x. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung ating y prime. Ito yung ating derivative. Okay, so sana ay may natutunan kayo dito sa ating video na to. No? Alamin nyo itong ganitong strategy, no, ng pag-multiply ng polynomials, yung i-distribute actually. So, aralin nyo ng mabuti kasi I think mas madali, for me, mas madali ito. No? And of course, from here, no, ang calculus lang natin actually ay ang transition from here to here. So, lahat ito after nito, puro na yan algebra. That's just multiplication and addition of polynomials. So, it's really nothing new. Okay, so sana ay may natutunan kayo dito sa ating video. Subscribe kayo, no? So, madami pa akong ituturo sa inyo. No? And pwede kayo mag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel. And of course, follow nyo kami sa Facebook page, facebook.com/ignianph. And of course, we have our website. Nandiyan nakalista yung mga sunod-sunod na tutorials. No? So, mas maganda tignan nyo yan. Just like the video and see you in the next tutorial.